All right, how to check your oil. Well, the first thing you need to do is open up the hood, put up the support bracket if you don't have the old school springs on the left and right side, or a pneumatic strut. But anyway, once you get the hood open, you're gonna look for a dipstick. And the dipstick is usually like that right there, orange or yellow or red, some bright color. You should be able to identify it. Then once you find it, pull it out, and wipe it off, okay? Then you're gonna look at it right here. You see there's a mark here and there's a mark here, okay? That means full, and that means 1 quart low, and this means you're in serious trouble if there's nothing on this stick at all, okay? Usually you're gonna be in the mid-range or full, okay? But don't go over, all right? Then you're just gonna put the dipstick back in, and pull it back out again, and you're gonna check your reading. As you can see here, that's a nice good reading there, okay? I usually check my oil when it's cold, okay? But you can check it when it's warm. What you have to do is turn off the engine and wait about 5 minutes. Wait 5 minutes, and then your oil will be settled down in the pan and you'll be able to get a good reading. Okay, but I usually check it when it's just completely cold, sitting overnight, good to go. Okay, now one more dipstick I have right here. It's out of my Yukon. They have 4 notches here to tell you your capacity of how you're filled. Okay, this is full. Okay, this is getting close to losing some oil. This is your mid-range, and then right here is going to tell you you need oil bad. You're a quart low. Okay, right there. It's really hard to see with this. Can we get it clear here? Let's see. Oh, there we go. So there you go. This one right here, if it's past this point here, you're a quart low, or even worse, you're empty. So that's another way to check it, but that's for my Yukon there. All dipsticks are a little different, but if you see on the left or the right side, the final dot or line, you'll know that it's the high and low mark. Okay? All right. Well, that works for me. Good luck. God bless. And take care.